डॉक्टर गुप्ता, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू वेरी सिंपली. देखिए, ड्रामा तो एक चीज है, ड्रामा तो सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी करती है, बीजेपी भी करती है, आम आदमी पार्टी भी करती है, टीडीपी भी करती है, सब करते हैं ड्रामा. ड्रामा करना तो काम ही है पॉलिटिशियंस का. My point is, drama is one thing. Why are you saying that what Atashi has done today, and let's put the pictures of it on our screens as well, is something that has put a black mark on Delhi? कलंकित किया. कलंकित कैसे किया है भाई? ड्रामा किया है लेकिन कलंकित तो बिल्कुल नहीं किया है.
Yeah. Good evening to you and all the viewers. See, right from the beginning, it was clear that Ms. Atishi government would function entirely under the remote control of Kejriwal ji. But what was not known was that it would turn into a government of psychophancy, and today that too become evident. Placing two chairs at a CM desk is a violation of constitutional protocol, administrative rules, and an insult to the office of the CM. Through this action, Atishi ji has not only disrespected the dignity of the CM office, but has also hurt the sentiments of the people of Delhi. You know, it is unconstitutional. It is not, we have never seen in the future, in the past, that you place two chairs. The Arvind Kejriwal ji should have explained to the people of Delhi how he planned to run the Delhi government, through the remote control or through drama. You know, now the drama has started today. And, you know, for next 4 or 5 months, the same drama will continue. And we will witness these types of scenes regularly. Instead of taking care of the problems of Delhi, they will indulge into these types of drama, which is unconstitutional. You know, Delhi has a lot of problems. It is the pollution, water, road, nobody. She has not talked about even a single problem, but she says, you know, in the Ramayana Kal, there was a bribe in the liquor scam. Kejriwal ji is accused in the liquor scam. And he is an accused in the Supreme Court. And now they are comparing these things with the Ramayana, the Holy Ramayana. How can you compare the Maryada Purushottam Ram with such a person who is an accused in a corruption case? So this is not religiously followed. This is unethical. This is unconstitutional also.
ठीक है. Gupta ji, इतना मत भड़किए. Okay. Advocate Panwar just come in here and respond to what the BJP is saying. They are saying, भाई spare us the nautanki and the drama. रामलीला देखनी है तो हम चले जाएंगे. दिल्ली में बहुत अच्छी रामलीला होती है. Why do all of this natak? Just do your work.
Mr. Gupta said that they have not seen any such thing in the past. Let me remind you, Mr. Gupta, that the Prime Minister of our country, Mr. Modi, also keeps a chair of his capitalist friend, Mr. Adani, by his side, to whom he has sold rail, bhel, sail, coal and airports. And what Miss Atishi did today is actually he kept a chair of a chief minister of a person who is widely recognized as a symbol of morality and integrity in the politics, who has revolutionized Indian politics by prioritizing Kaam ki Rajniti and placing honesty at the forefront of the governance for the first time in the history. And this chief minister's chair rightly belonged to him, and the people of Delhi have given a mandate to Mr. Kejriwal. And this time also, we will win with a thumping majority. So all our
But Advocate Panwar, why did he vacate that mandate? Advocate Panwar, why did he vacate that mandate? चलिए mandate मिला, you are saying he is the only chief minister, etc., etc. तो वही बने रहते. Why put Atishi in the seat? For what joy?
वो इसीलिए
4 महीने के एग्जाइल को एग्जाइल नहीं बोलते, वनवास 14 साल का होता है.
वो इसीलिए नहीं बने रहे क्योंकि जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है ना, कि पहले चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को जेल में डालो, उनके ऊपर झूठे आरोप लगाओ, षड्यंत्र और साजिशों का जाल बुनो और उसके बाद उनकी सरकार गिराओ अपना ऑपरेशन लोटस चला के. तो इसे हमें सफल नहीं होने देना था. That is why he didn't resign while he was behind bars. And let me remind your viewers that the Honorable Supreme Court granted him interim bail twice in ED case, and once he got bail by a regular trial court. And in CBI case also, the Honorable Supreme Court granted him bail. And despite that, उन्होंने ये फैसला लिया कि मैं अपनी ईमानदारी की अग्नि परीक्षा दूंगा. A person who जिसने 10 साल पहले अपनी IRS की नौकरी को छोड़ा, झुग्गियों में काम किया, जिसने अपने CM पद को ठुकराया क्योंकि वो अपना किया गया वादा पूरा नहीं कर पाया था 49 दिन की सरकार में. एक ऐसे व्यक्ति ने जिसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट से और ट्रायल कोर्ट से clean chit mil gayi. Because I'm saying this because in PMLA case, an accused is considered guilty until proven innocent. And he has proved himself prima facie innocence. That is why he's enlarged on bail. But what the BJP must answer today, and what the nation wants to know, is the five
That is your
questions.
interpretation.
See, that is not my interpretation. That is the interpretation of law.